Welcome to Chimachi's Calculus Clinic. The topic says laws of logarithm. Yes, in our previous lesson, we did introduction to the theory of logarithm. Now we want to look at the laws of what? Logarithm. Laws of logarithm are the laws that will help us to solve any form of logarithmic problems. Yes, there are some problems that we can't easily solve with the other method, the method that will lead to integral equation. There are some problems that you will find it difficult, some complicated, complex, ambiguous questions, problems that without the application of some of the laws of logarithm, the solver or the person answering the question will find it difficult. Good. Now let's look at some of the laws. Number one is called addition law of logarithm. The law says that log m base a plus log n base a is the same as what? Log mn base a. Meaning what? That when you are adding logarithms that have common base, the base here is a, base here is a. What will you do? Just multiply the logs. What are the logs here? The logs are m and n. So mn means m times what? N. Number 2. Please, I'll say the laws after I will now give examples on how to apply the laws. Very important, because it's not just to know the laws. Number 1 thing is to know all the laws, when and how to apply the laws. Very good. Now let's proceed. Log what? M base a minus log n base a will give me log m divided by n base a. This is called subtraction law. Subtraction what? Law. Number 3. Yes, log a base a is the same thing as what? 1. This is when you have the same log. The log and the base are what? The same. Good. Good. The log a and the base is also what? A. So answer is what? 1. If you want to prove this, a raised to power 1 is the same as what? A. Good. Number 4. This is called power law. Log m raised to power n base a is the same as n log m base a. Look at it. When the log has a power, the power here can be anything except 0, because if it is 0, automatically it will be 1, and that one is another law. Except 0, the n here, the power can be anything except 0. Now when you have the log raised to a power, so it will now be what? The power times the log to the base. Very good. Number 5. When you have log m, the base raised to power, look at it here, the base raised to what? Power. It will now be what? Here the log has the power, but here the base has the power. What are we going to do? We take the reciprocal of the power. Reciprocal of anything is 1 over that thing. Reciprocal of Mr. Chimatis is 1 over Chimatis. So reciprocal of m here is 1 over n. Log m base what? Log m base a. Very good. Let's continue. Number 6. Logarithm of 1 to any base. Logarithm of 1 to any base is equal to what? 0. Logarithm of 1 to any base is equal to what? 0. Is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. Very correct. Number 7. Yes, number 7 is called reciprocal law. Log n base a is the same thing as what? 1 over log a base n. This is when the reciprocal is required. And when do you need reciprocal of logarithm? When you want to express all the terms in the logarithmic expression to be in what? The same base. You need the what? You need the reciprocal. Number 8, log n base a is the same thing as log n base x, or let me use another thing, base p divided by log a base p. Yes, this is a case whereby you don't have what you have here as the base cannot be raised to anything to give you n. Yes, cannot be raised to anything to give you n. For instance, if I have log, let me just give you an example of this one now. I will give an example on everything. For instance, if you have log 2 base 5 and you want to simplify it, you know that it's not possible. You can't find anything that 5 will be raised to give you 2. In this case, you apply the change of base formula. This is applied in chemistry. Yes, this particular law is mostly applied in chemistry when dealing with a topic called pH, yes, pondus in chemistry. Yes, you apply this law. You apply logarithm in chemistry. You know, with mathematics, every other subject is what? Moi. Yes. No mathematics, no chemistry, no physics. Good. Thank you so much. So here is the same thing as log 2. Introduce 10. Yes. Over what? Log 5 base 10. We can easily do this now. We know that log 2 base 10 is what? 0.3010. This one too, we know the logarithm. So this is now example. Evaluate log 3 base 27. Good. Evaluate log 3 base what? 27. Now what are we going to do here? We have to simplify it to be what? Knowable. How? This is the same as log 3 base 3 raised to power 3, because 3 raised to power 3 is still what? 27. I've not done anything. I just simplified it to be in knowable state. Yes. So we want to do away with any kind of mathematical anarchy. Very good. Now according to what? Yes, the law that says when the base has the power, it takes the reciprocal of the power. This will give us 1 over what? 1 over 3 log 3 base 3. Good. This is something as 1 over 3. Log 3 base 3 is something as what? 1. One of the laws. And this is 1 over 3. Very good. Another example here. Another example. Evaluate log 5. Should I go with 5? Evaluate log 4 base 10 plus log 25 base 10. Very good. Now what are we going to do? According to one of the laws, that is the number 1 law, the addition law. So this is the same as what? Log 4 times 25 base 10. Very good. Very good. Very interesting. Yes, mathematics is fun. Mathematics is fun. He who says that mathematics is difficult doesn't know how complicated life is. Yes. Good. Now here, this is the same as log 100 base 10. Very good. This is the same as log 10 raised to power 2 base 10. And this is the same as 2 log 10, which is the same as 2 open bracket 1, and this is 2. Now after this, example 3, simplify log root 13 base 13. Yes, log root 13 base 13. Now, what are we going to do? This is the same as log 13 raised to power half base 13. Somebody say, how come of half? How come of half? We know that indices and logarithm are like brother and sister. So remember that a raised to power half is the same thing as what? Square root of a. So root 13 is the same thing as 13 raised to power half. That is how come of this. Now we apply the power law. 1 over 2 log 13 base 13. And this will give us 1 over 2 into 1. Because log 13 base 13 is what? 1. So half times 1 is half. Moi moi. Thank you so much. Now, please, there are many solved questions in different forms. Yes, in my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chimatis Calculus Clinic, for more interesting and detailed videos. There are up to 50 solved problems on this. You can also go to my Facebook page, the same name, Chimatis Calculus Clinic, C Cube.